Let's look at Chapter 15, Lesson 8, Practice. Using equations to estimate. Solve. If 7 bags weigh 15 kilograms, is 1 bag more than 2 kilograms? You need to show your work on all of these problems. You can begin this one by taking 15 kilograms and dividing it by 7 bags. And I know that that's going to go in 2 times. 14, subtract 1's left over. It goes in 0 times. But you know that there is a remainder of 1, which means that each bag is going to weigh more than 2 kilograms. Number 2, if 7 bags weigh 15 kilograms, are 10 bags more than 17 kilograms? Well, you can go back and refer to number 1, and you know that each bag is going to weigh 2 plus some. So you could take 10 times 2, and that would equal 20. So you know that it's going to weigh more than 20 kilograms, which is definitely more than 17. If 6 bags weigh 10 kilograms, are 10 bags more than 20 kilograms? Looking at that, you can take 10 kilograms and divide it by 6 bags to figure out how much each bag would weigh. I know that 6 goes into 10 one time, 6, subtract 4 left over. You now can add your decimal and bring down another 0. 6 goes into 40 6 times. That would be 36, and 4 would be left over again. So you know that each bag is going to weigh 1 6/10, or about 1 6/10. If there's 10 bags more, you need to figure out if they're going to be more than 20 kilograms. You can take 10 times 1 6/10. Drop your 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Bring over your decimal by 1. It looks like 10 bags will weigh less than, which means they are not more than. Number 4. If 10 bags weigh 5 kilograms, is 1 bag more than 1 kilogram? You know this is not true automatically, but you need to show your work because 5 divided by 10 is not even going to go in one time. You can put your decimal on top of the house, put a 0, 10 goes into 50 5 times. Each bag is going to weigh 0.5, which equals 1/2 of a kilogram, so it's not more than 1 kilogram. Number 5, if 15 bags weigh 13 kilograms, are 21 bags more than 25 kilograms? So you start off by 13 divided by 15 so you know how much each bag weighs. 13 cannot be divided by 15 at all, so I put my decimal in and have another 0. Now I need to think 15 goes into 130 how many times? Well, I know that 6 times 15 is going to be 90, so I need to be higher than 6. Another 15 would be 105, which would be 7 15s, and that's not enough. So let's do 8 15s, which would be 120. Subtract, you get 10. You can bring down another 0. How many times does 15 go into 100? I know that would be 6 times. That would be 90. Subtract, and you get 10 again. So it would be repeating of 6. So your answer for each bag weighing is going to be 86 hundredths. Now you need to take that times 21 bags to see if it's going to be more than 25 kilograms. So you have 0.86 times 21. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. Drop a 0 since you're moving on to the 2, which is actually 20. 2 times 6 is going to be 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is going to be 16 plus 1 is 17. Now you're going to add them up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus nothing is 1. Remember to count over 1, 2 to get your decimal point. You can see that it's not going to be more than 25 kilograms, so it's no. Now logically, you know that 21 bags times less than 1 would not even equal 21, so you could have answered no to this and then shown your work. Let's look at test prep if y equals 3x minus 18 and x equals 12, what is y? Explain how you found your answer. Well, let's plug and chug. Y equals 3 times 12 minus 18. I did times 12 because 3x means 3 times x, and I know x is 12. So now I'm going to use PEMDAS to solve this. I'm going to do 3 times 12 first, and I know that that's going to equal 36, and I keep the minus 18. So y equals 36 minus 18. I know that 36 minus 18 is going to equal 18, so y equals 18. Showing your work explains how you found your answer.